Good morning, Sarah. I have prepared your coffee just the way you like it. Thank you, Leo. What does my schedule look like today? You have a meeting at 10 and lunch with Emily at 1. Enjoy your breakfast.
All systems operational. Grid 7 secured.